Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the helmet cleaner. So I am going to use this Vista helmet clean. So it is said that you have to just open this particular thing, shake nicely, and then spray. Direct shake well before use. Spray evenly on the surface. Wait for few minutes. For hard stain, mild rubbing and all that is needed. Otherwise, you have to just spray, wait for a few seconds, and then wipe it off. I think so it is doing its work. This place little more is needed and I'll spray again. To wait for some time and see. Not more time, just 1-2 minutes I'll wait and then I will wipe it off. So I'm using this microfiber cloth to clean it. It is almost 30 seconds to 1 minute. So after cleaning, I have to just wipe it like this. So after cleaning, I'll come back again. This really works so good. It is appearing, all the dust and everything went off, and inside nice smell is there. All the foul smell which was there, it went off and all. It's looking good now from before. Now I'm going to try on the top side of this helmet. This is very dirty. So much stain is there. So same process I have to follow. Shake well before use and then just spray on it. So this is how it looks right now with all the sprays and all that thing. Let it work, and then when it is done, after wiping I will show you how it is. So for the surface, I think so I wiped it little early. I have to wait for maybe 4-5 minutes, but then also it worked nicely. Few marks didn't go properly, but yeah, it is appearing that it got cleaned and disinfected, and all the foul smell went off. So overall, it's a good product. You can definitely try it. I will give the link of this in my description. You can buy it from there. It will help me. Thank you.